Astrology, a practice dating back to the 3rd millennium BC, originated from calendrical systems used to predict seasonal changes and interpret celestial cycles as divine communications. The earliest organized system of astrology, Babylonian astrology, emerged in the 2nd millennium BC. The Babylonians are credited with creating astrological charts to predict seasonal and celestial events, and they developed the 12 zodiac signs still used today. Ancient civilizations, including those in Mesopotamia, Babylon, Greece, and Rome, observed the sky and believed that celestial bodies influenced human affairs. The Greeks adopted Babylonian practices, and figures like Ptolemy formalized astrology as a mathematical and scientific discipline, pioneering natal astrology and horoscopes. The Romans embraced astrology, and its influence spread globally. The belief that stars and planets influence human behavior has been central to astrology for centuries. Astrologers believe that by analyzing the positions of celestial bodies at the time of a person's birth, they can gain insight into an individual's personality and destiny. This connection between constellations and psychology is seen as a star map that helps explore the self and understand the complexities of the inner mind. Each constellation is thought to have unique personality traits that influence behavior and shape the inner world. Today, people use astrology for horoscopes to gain guidance and inspiration in their daily lives. Horoscopes interpret daily astrological signs by considering the positions of planets, zodiac signs, and houses. Many consult daily horoscopes to understand what might be in store for them over the next 24 hours, viewing it as a celestial weather bulletin. Astrology is also used for self-reflection and personal growth, helping individuals understand their strengths, weaknesses, and emotional changes. By understanding their natal chart, sun, moon, and rising signs, people aim to make informed choices, enhance relationships, and navigate challenges.